intro.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'll unbox a cheapest gorilla pod that I brought from Clubfactory. And at the end I'll also tell you that is it safe in buying from Clubfactory or not. So let's begin with the unboxing. The build quality is very nice and it feels easy to hold in your hand. I brought this for my point and shoot camera, but you can also place your smartphone, only you need to buy a smartphone holder for this. At the base, it gets a rubber pad which gives a good grip on any surface. You can see here. And now I'll show you some of the different ways that you can use it. If you want to purchase this product, the link is in the description. And to purchase the stuffs in Clubfactory, you no need to worry on the customs. As like other shopping websites, you easily book in Clubfactory, but it takes more time to reach you.